From reckless drivers causing catastrophic accidents to ignoring traffic signs or chaotic collisions due to out-of-control trucks are all in today's video. Join us as we explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe while driving. Buckle up and let's get started. The truck driver is believed to have fallen asleep at the wheel, which is a common issue for long-haul drivers and often leads to serious accidents. Surprisingly, the truck didn't collide with any other vehicles.
Which means the county will be taking the death penalty.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Again, officers.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Unless you know
Oh my god!
A motorcyclist kicked a car on highway in Santa Clarita, causing a chain reaction accident that left one person injured, and he was able to escape in no time. Oh my God, the man was lucky to escape from an out-of-control car thanks to the car is parked on the side of the road. I would list this as the most movie-like scene of 2024. The car lost control and crashed into a highway stop. Luckily, no one was injured, but the car was severely damaged. A serious accident occurred when a truck loaded with rocks lost its brakes and crashed into a convoy of vehicles on the highway. As a result, 20 vehicles were damaged. Notably, one vehicle caught fire. Fortunately, everyone successfully rescued the girl sitting in that vehicle. The man riding an electric motorbike crossed the road without looking behind, forcing the car driver to swerve to avoid it. But do you think that even without the electric motorbike, the accident would still have happened?
verga.
The terrifying moment a bus carrying disabled children was hit by a train while crossing a railway track without signals. The most important thing is that everyone survived the accident, and the man who did such a reckless act should be revoked and banned from driving for life. A good and calm steering saved him and his family from an accident. These people were resolving conflicts in an accident when suddenly an oil tanker skidded and rushed towards them. Luckily, no one was injured.
Whoa. Sit down, you guys.
The serious accident occurred when the driver was negligent and did not keep a safe distance. The accident caused the front of the tractor to be torn apart. The dump truck driver was not injured, but the tractor driver suffered moderate injuries. The rubbing reacted really quickly, and when she saw the car coming at her at breakneck speed, it saved her life in an instant. This direct collision caused 3 parked cars to burst into flames. The driver and passengers only suffered minor injuries. Our Idresh, was a miracle. Oh my god, that scene is crazy. Imagine a crazy truck coming towards you, and you just have to take it.
О, красавела! Без контакт! Красавчик!
A truck was buried in a giant pile of bricks when a truck tried to cross the lane, but turned it into a disaster. It's unclear whether the police saw the speeding car or not, but the fact that they swerved their car saved the couple is really surprising. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon!